to say that SOAP Bible study can fit into our everyday life, because I can so easily say that most of us are busy, but we also want to spend time with the scriptures. We want to dive into the scripture to understand what it's, verses and sections of the Bible, what they're trying to say there. And so the structure we have in SOAP Bible study means that you can easily follow that structure and possibly do just one at a time. For instance, when I sometimes don't have time, I may have the scripture I want to study, write it down, and then I do just observation at a sitting. And at another day, I may come on and start looking at observing the verses. That way, I'm not shortchanging my Bible study. I'm still doing a deep dive, but I'm doing it in the little time that I have. So if you have not already tried SOAP Bible study, I would suggest that you want to try it, suggest it for you. And I've put a link here to the series I have on the step-by-step guide on how to do SOAP Bible study. And I hope to see you next time.